Happy New Year, everyone. This is Irvin here, Teamwitherving. Happy New Year. I wish everyone a very successful year. Let's roll here in our Forex channel, Trading with Teamwitherving. I'm very excited about a new chapter. Today is this is going to be the very first week of You Trading 2021. So officially, we are going to be doing our pre-Forex forecast and review for the week of January 4 to 8, 2021. So I'm so proud to mention now that we are officially trading multiple time frames for the fiscal year 2021. So welcome everyone. Welcome to the new ones that are watching us, and for the first time, make sure you do subscribe so you will never ever miss a video from us. And one quick disclaimer, guys, is I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader trying to show you how to squeeze hundreds of pips trading with us. So don't forget to smash that like button, okay? All right, so let's get to work, guys. Let me show you what I'm gonna be doing this week. Remember, this is for the January 4 to the 8th, 2021. This is the very first trade of the week that we are gonna be doing. So this is just the pre-week. Tomorrow, Sunday, we are gonna be releasing our weekly forecast. So make sure you do subscribe so you will not miss what is coming tomorrow. Again, it's for the same week from the 4th to the 8th. So let's go, guys. And then we're gonna meet on Wednesday. We're gonna follow up our Saturday and our Sunday video. Then you get to ask questions. All right. So let's go ahead and start here. Let's release what NZDCAD is doing. Again, let me go ahead and type here the system that we are trading. So you will not ask me what it is. So let me go ahead and do it differently. So we are trading, multiple time frame system. So our website is the following. In case you want to know and look for us, is www.TWEForexSystem.com. The link is below anyway, okay? But anyway, that is our website. So let me go ahead and show you what our multiple time frame is doing on this particular pair. This pair here is very sexy. Is going based on our rules. So now we officially are on 2021. So what I'm seeing here, guys, is I'm seeing the our multiple time frame shows up in here, giving us a sell signal. Then our red arrow, multiple time frame red arrow, also confirming that sell. So all I can say here, guys, is the market will continue as bearish, retesting that 23 to our 50 Fibonacci line. From there, market is gonna do a small retracement, retesting that 38 to our 23 Fibonacci line, and then boom, market will continue as bearish. Okay, please, guys, let me know in the comment below if you do have any questions. If you guys want me to make our video differently, please let me know. Or if you want me to analyze any different pair for tomorrow, Sunday, also let me know. I will be more than happy to do it. So I want to continue, giving you the best of the best content ever. So I'm very proud for everything we did in 2020. Now we're officially in 2021. So I want to help you, make money out of it. So that's what I'm seeing here on the NZDCAD. Hopefully you do also see that. Let me show you a different pair that I have here on mine. Is gold. Gold is very sexy, but gold still trending bullish, guys. I thought gold was gonna give us a new indication of being a bullish market, but it didn't happen for the month of January. So overall here, gold is still what? Pay attention. Gold still selling. All we care here is for sales. Real time. Look at what real time is doing. But market still, this guy's still going up. This is not fully valid yet, because the candle stop right on the arrow. So in my opinion, what the market is going to continue to do in this particular pair, guys, is the market still has room to come back and retest this sell position here, our magic arrow with our multiple time frame, and it's gonna come in here, retesting that level here. That's what I'm putting in here. And once I see the arrow, the red arrow, confirm and give us a bearish position right at this point here, I'm going for a sell right on this area, and boom, I will look for sell. Because overall here we are selling. Gold is selling. Okay, right now it's just doing a pullback. Please pay attention, guys. If you are watching us for the first time and you are using a different software, please let me know in the comment below. Let us know where you're from, where you're coming from, how you doing it, how you trading, and so on, so we all can trade as a family. But gold has been selling since, look at this, guy. Gold has been selling since August 4, 2020. Since August 2020, market be selling, and market still selling. Now we officially on 2021, and it's still selling. Pay attention. Look, sell, 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 sell. Look at what real time is doing. Is it selling? Of course it is. Of course it is. Right now it's doing a pullback. You see that green arrow going up? That is a pullback. We trade with rules here in our system. So it's not, we don't take every signal that comes to our end, but right now we're doing a pullback. So we're waiting for more confirmation. That's what I'm calling this, a small retracement, retesting up, and then boom, it will retrace. So market is selling, okay? So don't ever get fooled if someone else tell you something else. I want to be very honest, because I had nothing to lose by giving you honest opinion. All right, so I want to continue be the best of the best, because that make me happy to see all the traders make tons of pips. But the market right now, like I said, it is selling, guys. Look at that. I mean, it's buying. So that sell is getting ready. Like I said, market still had room to push up, then boom, we'll retrace back. Okay, do you guys have any question? Please comment below if you do have any question. And please do me a favor, guys, if you found the value of this one, don't forget to smash the like button. If you want to join our multiple time frame, the link is below. All right, if you're not ready to join our multiple time frame, join our gold membership. There is a one-on-ones in there, so you can learn how to trade. Even if you don't get our multiple time frame, you're still gonna learn and be a better trader for the year 2020. So like, share, and subscribe. All right, let me go ahead and show you the next pair that I think is very sexy. This pair here is the Euro GBP. I put it a magenta line in there because Euro GBP, guys, is also a sell trade. This guy is selling. Look at what our multiple time frame and our magic arrow is letting us know here. It's letting us know the market is selling. Selling. Look at this one. Right here was doing a pullback, right? Pullback is over. This guy is in charge. All we care is about sales. So the market in here is doing the following. Market still has room to drop, retesting the 78 to our 100 Fibonacci line. Then the market is going to retrace back, correcting itself, and then boom, market will continue as sell. Pay attention what our multiple time frame radar is giving us here. It's giving us a sell position as well. All right, so market is still selling. Please pay attention, guys. Trade with rules. Do not overtrade. It does not make you a better trader if you overtrade. So please just take 1 or 2 trade. Remember, this is not signals. This is just for educational purpose. But this analysis that I'm giving you here are very accurate. For the month of December, we analyzed 42 pairs. Out of 42 pairs, only, I think, was only 4 pairs that went against us. So it's not a bad deal. Of course, this is not signal, but I'm giving you a very, very accurate information. The only thing is that I'm giving you every single movement or what the market is doing. But what we do here behind our channel is that we do trade with rules. So we don't take every signal that just pop in on the system just because it's in there. No, we don't. All right, the last pair that I'm going to give you today is the USD peso. So USD peso also, I thought was going to be a bullish market, but it didn't happen in month of January. I was looking for a monthly time frame in here, but unfortunately it didn't happen. So we have here a very sexy area letting us know the market is in a buy position, but overall market, it is selling, guys. So do not get fooled. All we looking is only for sell, sell, sell. But right now the market is doing a pullback, but still pushing down. Remember, the sell is the one who is in charge in this particular pair here. So all I'm saying here, what I'm seeing here based on the system is the system still had room to drop all the way, retesting our 100 Fibonacci line, which is gonna come back and meet the second brothers and sisters in here with the magic arrow. Then in this particular area here, we're looking for a green arrow, right? So that green arrow is gonna be popping in and showing us a bullish position. And then from there, yes, the market will continue as bullish. Then we're gonna come back on Wednesday and we're gonna reanalyze what the market is doing. But right now, that's all I'm seeing that is gonna do. So remember, this is not 100% accurate what I'm giving you, but is very, very accurate at the end. It's not. All I want to win is only 75% out of my 100%, right? So come and join us, guys. This is a brand new year, so if you want to make money, this is the time where you are going to be making money with our multiple time frame. Join our Gold membership. Then if you don't want to join our Gold membership, come and grab our multiple time frame. It's in there. Comment below if you do have any question. Then do not forget to smash that like button, okay? Once again, I'm not your financial advisor, just another fellow trader showing you how to squeeze hundreds and hundreds of pips. But that's what I'm showing you here. So today I gave you only 4 pairs. Please comment below, guys, if you want me to give you 4 pairs for the pre-week, or either I'm planning to reduce it to 3. Let me know if 3 is fine, or either leave it as what it is, 4. I'm giving you 4 pairs on the pre-week and 6 pairs on the weekly analysis. So I'm trying to bring it up to 8, but I'm trying to know what is your opinion. Let's go ahead and do a survey, and whatever it comes, I will do exactly what you guys want me to do, okay? So that is what I have in mind. So hopefully all this makes sense. Remember, you can watch us in all the description on our website is below. So come and join us if you want to. And that's all I have for today, guys. I want to thank everybody for coming in. God bless you guys. Remember, this is the very first week of 2021. So let's make this year a great one, and happy new year. So looking forward to see you guys back tomorrow, Sunday. And if you guys want me to analyze any different pairs, please let me know in the comment below. So once again, thank you guys. God bless you. And remember, we want to see our beautiful United States be blessed as well. So God bless you, and God bless the United States. Take care, guys.